Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're not just reviewing a truck. We're stepping into something that completely blurs the line between raw horsepower and elite comfort. You're about to see what happens when one of the most iconic long-haul trucks on the planet, the Kenworth W900, gets transformed into a rolling 5-star hotel. And the 2026 model? It's in a league of its own. At first glance, it still looks like the beast we know. Long nose, chromed-out grille, and those classic dual stacks and pure W900 attitude. But walk around the side and things start to change. The bodywork has been stretched and customized with sleek composite panels, full-body paint and flush-mounted panoramic windows. This isn't your average sleeper cab. It's an engineering marvel, built for the road royalty. Let's step inside. The moment the automatic steps extend and the soft closed door glides open, you know you're not in Kansas anymore. Inside, you're met with solid wood cabinetry, Italian leather seating, and ambient LED lighting that would make a luxury condo jealous. The interior design was clearly inspired by private jets and high-end yachts, and think walnut finishes, suede walls, and seamless tech integration throughout. Front and center is a fully equipped kitchen that puts most apartments to shame. There's a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a built-in espresso bar. Across from it, a leather dinette with a hidden pop-up 4K TV, perfect for catching a movie after a long day on the road. Moving back, the lounge area is something else. A reclining sectional with built-in massagers, heated floors under polished tile, and another entertainment setup with surround sound and satellite internet. Yes, you heard that right. This truck has fiber-speed satellite internet. Now the real showstopper is the bedroom suite. Slide the privacy door and you're welcomed into a sanctuary with a full queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, and custom night lighting. There's a wardrobe closet with cedar lining, a smart mirror that displays the weather and navigation, and even a separate climate zone. And the bathroom? It features a rainfall shower, marble countertop, and yes, heated towel racks. And don't think performance was sacrificed for luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 W900 still roars with a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 paired with a 12-speed automated transmission. It's built to haul, and now it's built to pamper. Suspension upgrades make the ride buttery smooth. And the onboard smart control system adjusts everything from ride height to climate, all from a central touchscreen or your phone. So who's this for? Elite travelers, professional drivers who refuse to settle, or anyone who dreams of the open road with no compromise on comfort. The price tag? North of $500,000. But when you see what you're getting, it almost feels like a bargain. From rugged highways to luxury RV parks, the 2026 Kenworth W900. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.